How to make money online. Smarter tech move revenue. As one of the largest global ad network, AdMob can fill your ad requests from anywhere in the world. Maximize the value of every impression across all your tech networks with the most advanced monetization technology. High performing ad formats. Engage and retain your user with our innovative ad formats. Customize the user experience and earn more revenue by integrating native rewarded banner, video, and interstitial ads seamlessly into your apps. Actionable analytics. Make smarter decisions to grow mobile app earning and improve customer experience. AdMob's robust reporting and measurement features deliver deeper insights into how your user and interacting with your mobile app and ads. Gain even richer insights by directly integrating Google Analytics for Firebase with AdMob. Automated tools. Streamline your day-to-day tasks with our automated tools, easy to set up and integrate. Our tools offer everything from state-of-the-art brand safely control to advanced monetization technology with meditation and open binding. Maximize. As one of the largest global ad network, AdMob works with millions of advertisers to compete for your ad space while you stay in full control of the process to maximize your earnings. Find the right combination of ad formats to integrate with your app to help you earn more while enhancing your user experience. Deliver a seamless user experience. Customize ads for your apps to provide a great user experience. We'll send you the ad components for your native app code for the ads that look and feel like a natural part of your app. Your user can choose to engage with a video ad in exchange for an app reward or OPT out at any time. These rewarded ads optimize your app revenue and keep your users happy. Use flexible formats for a perfect fit. Our banner ads expand to full screen when tapped and automatically resize as the user rotates their device. Interstitials appear at natural breaks or transition points, creating engaging brand experiences without disrupting the flow of your app. Ad mobiles offer smarter analytics reporting features like ad request level revenue data directly in Google Analytics for Firebase so you can make better decisions for your app. And make your everyday task easier with our automated tools. In minutes, you can set specific controls tailored to your app and your audience. Then sit back and benefit from the built in safety standards of Google. Take control over the and ads that appear in your apps. Review individual ads shown in your apps and decide whether to show them in the future. You can even block ads from advertisers that we have shown ads. From one easy to use dashboard, you can automatically block ads by advertiser, URL, category, or ad network, as well as app promotion ads pertaining to sensitive topics and more. It's also easy to filter ads that are rated unsuitable for certain audience. Google works hard to maintain a brand safe environment for advertisers and publishers to buy and sell ad space. Google Displays ads provide a safe marketplace across audience and locals, so you have can reset easy knowing your brand is in good hands from the let go.